I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also does come with an elastic band. And right here I am just styling the unit. This is a wand curl texture. That is the name of the texture of this unit. And yeah, I'm gonna get into more details and specs about the texture and the length and all that good stuff about this unit later on in the outro portion of this video. So if you are interested in all of that, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so I don't have on long sleeves. Like, honey, your girl is not that crazy. You guys know I love something that covers up my neck, but it's short sleeve, okay? So it's like a mock turtleneck type deal, you know? But anyways, y'all, so this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Eayon. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I have worked with Eayon multiple times, and I am happy that they wanted to collab with me once again. So shout out to you, boo. Shout out to you. You the real MVP. Why I look like I got 2 little horns right here? Okay y'all, so let me give you guys the details and specs and stuff about this unit. This unit is Wand Curls Bob Wig Brazilian 13x6 lace front, invisible knot, 1080 BTTT. I don't know what that means, y'all, but whatever, that's what I got on here. Okay, so it says image length, and I'm gonna have the image up here at some point. 12 inches cut from 14 inches. And so this wig was made of 10A grade Chinese raw Remy hair. You will never be disappointed on this wig. Must have a try. Okay, so the length, I don't know what length I have. Do I know what length I have, child? Yes, I do. Oh, shout out. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Shout out to you, Eayon. Okay, so it says texture wand curls, length 12 inches, and it is a 13x6. frontal. The density is 150% density, and it is in a natural color. And I feel like this cap size fits me really well, so I want to say this has to be a small. I need to look and see if I told them to send me a small. I may have told them once upon a time, because I feel like this is definitely a small. It just, judging by the way that it feels on me, I would say it's a small. So okay, this is 13 by 6, and as you guys can see, it goes on back, and it actually goes back farther than this. It stops like all the way back here. That's just where I kind of stopped the parting. And it did come like pre-parted, and I just went with that. I went with how they already had it. As far as shedding and tangling, now I will say this wig is tangly, because when I did the twist, like in the top, it did have some, I did experience some tangling. It wasn't bad. It was kind of like, you know, like when you pull in some hair apart, like say you do a twist out and you may like pull in the hair apart. Well, I don't know about y'all's, but when I used to try to do a twist out, child, mine would always be tangly, girl. But your girl got 4C hair, okay? So the tangle is real. But I didn't feel like it was anything bad. Like, I wasn't even mad about it, because honey, I can get frustrated and get all in my bag about some tangles and stuff, but I really wasn't that mad about the tangle. I wasn't mad at all about the tangle, but I do want to throw it out there in case that is an issue for you. This is a tightly curled wig, so I did expect some tangles, but it's like not crazy. Like, you can run your fingers through it like that, you see, like per coil. But I feel like if you get a heap of them, heap, girl, heap. Do you know what heap is, honey? That's Alabama slang, okay? Alabama, that's country. If you get a whole bunch of them together, then I do feel like it will be more tangly. Now, as far as shedding, honey, your girl has not synced a shed, okay? So it may shed at some point, but right now it is not shedding. Y'all made me mess up my curl trying to prove a point, honey. I swear, honey, I got things to do today, and I felt cute. But anyways, okay, so yeah, that's that on that. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I don't know what cap size I have, but I want to say this has to be a small, because it fit me perfectly, okay? I think it's a small. I'm gonna ask the company, and I'll put it somewhere across the screen so you guys can see, because I don't want to, you know, tell you the wrong thing. It fits me perfectly. So I feel like if you have a small head, if this is a small, it will fit you perfectly. And if you have a bigger head, because I think they only offer mediums and smalls, but if I'm not mistaken, their mediums are large head friendly. So if you do have a bigger head, you can also wear that medium. So yeah, that's that on that, sis. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I want you guys to look at this hairline, honey. I did not tweeze her. I didn't tweeze her, girl. Like, she came like this. She woke up like this, girl. She woke up like this, okay? I didn't do anything to the hairline whatsoever or the parting space. I just slapped old girl on, okay? That's all I did was slap old girl on. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about it. Like, this is it. I don't have to do no lint check, because honey, like I always say, this is it, no Michael Jackson. So we can go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit, but I think you already know, girl. Okay, y'all, so let me keep it a whole buck with you. When I took this, I've had this wig now for probably about 5 days, and I've been taking it out and putting it right back in the box, and taking it out and putting it right back in the box, because I was thinking, oh, that's gonna be some work. Oh, I don't feel like doing it. Oh, you know. And girl, I wish I had been taking her out the box, because she's an entire vibe, girl. She's a vibe. I love this wig. Child, who let the fly in the house, child? You are not invited, girl. I love this wig. This is like my type of swag, my type of hair. Like, I love it. It's giving me natural tease. Like, I feel like this hair looks hecka natural. I love it. And I hope you got, like, I hope it's coming off on camera the way it looks. Now, granted, I didn't know how I wanted to style her, and then I was like, I pushed it back some, and I was like, oh, that's what I want. But I didn't want to put a headband on, because I recently did that, and I ain't trying to, you know, do the same styles with you guys. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to braid I don't know how to braid hair when it's on my head, honey. I barely braided my own hair. If you guys remember, before I shaved my head, my braids were a mess underneath, which is why it was always bulky. Okay, that's why my wigs were always bulky, because I don't know how to braid. So I can braid decently if it's on the mannequin, but girl, I had already put her on, so I had to figure something else out. So I kind of just did like a twist thing up here, like nothing too extravagant, nothing too hard. If you can braid, girl, you can really, oh girl, you can work this out. Since I can't, I had to do what I had to do, because that was just the look I had in my head. And then I just used bobby pins and pinned it up here, and kind of just pulled the curls together so it wouldn't look like it was two ponytails sticking out. You guys know, you saw it. But yeah, that was just the vibe that the hair was giving me, and it laid so nicely. So go away, girl. Oh. So yeah, that was just the vibe that was giving me, and it laid so nicely. Like the wig just melted in. Now it was lifting, so that's why you saw me get that the elastic band that comes with these wigs and put that on there. And it did come with, you know, you can wear this wig glueless. I went ahead and laid it down, but you can wear it glueless. So yeah, you can use that adjustable strap. I mean, not adjustable strap, that elastic band. Honey, that thing was tight on my head, and I couldn't figure out how to get to the first little knot. So I just like undid it completely. But you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you want to. But yeah, so I did go ahead and respray it and tie that other band around it, and then I did my twist, because when I was trying to do my twist without it, then it was lifting. Y'all, this fly is driving me nuts. Oh my god. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Now, as far as products that I use, I basically was not even going to use anything on this wig, like nothing, because the hair came so nice. Like, I ain't lying to you, girl. It feels good. It feels soft. Like, it kind of feels like a, I don't want to say straw curls because they're a little bigger, but like a rod set or something. You know what I mean? Like, that was kind of, it says one curls, but it kind of gives me that rod set type of vibe. And then I just kind of pulled them apart here and there. I didn't pull all of them apart because I like it. I like the curls, so I did pull some apart, you know, just to kind of make it look more fluffy in the top. But yeah, so that is just like the vibe that it gives me, and I didn't want to mess that up. But not up on, child. Oh, my grandma, don't watch this video. On top, I did spray it and put some Cantu curling mousse on it and did my little twist. And y'all, that is it. I didn't even feel like this wig needed any baby hairs. Like, it basically, I feel like baby haired itself. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it needed a whole lot. It is an entire vibe to me. I would recommend this wig if you're looking for something that's a little more natural, honey. She is it, honey. This is it. Michael Jackson. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a vibe. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's a vibe? Like, would you rock her? Would you rock her like I'm rocking her? Can you recommend more styles? Let me know down below in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Y'all, I'm sorry if my volume like went up and down or whatever. This stupid mic, I'm getting another mic, y'all. This might get on my nerves. I hate it. I'm gonna get another mic that goes on top of my doggone camera. So yeah, it fell. I'm sorry. But anyways, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. It looked like I slept on the back, don't it? It needs to be more fluffy in the back. But you guys get the point, okay? You get the point. Y'all know the back of my head always be a mess. But yeah. I love this wig. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.